Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of sharing a community via Telegram in X. Sharing a community through Telegram allows you to easily connect with others and invite them to join your community using the popular messaging platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to share a community via Telegram in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Ensure that you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. On the community page, you have two options. You can either tap on the desired community icon directly or utilize the search icon to find the community you want to share. Choose the method that suits your preference. Step 4. Scroll up on the community page to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll find the share icon. Tap on it to initiate the sharing process. Step 5. In the sharing options, tap on Share Via and select Telegram. This will open the Telegram app where you can choose a contact or group to share the community with. Customize your message if desired and send it to invite others to join your community. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share a community via Telegram in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.